Let's go! Go back! That's it, hanging! Follow!
Alright, good match. Congratulations to Blizzard. We're mixing the schedule up because Field 1 and 3 are running a little bit behind. So the next match is actually going to be Blizzard and Sudbury Savage. So please stay in the pit, Blizzard and Sudbury Savage. Please take the far pit from Rapture. The on-deck teams will be just on deck for the next match. Thank you. Now get ready for the committed stars of the game, brought to you by Committed Paintball. Blizzard vs. Rapture, we have Skylar Horrigan with a 1-star from Blizzard. John Necko with the 2-star from the Blizzard squad. And with the 3-star from Blizzard, Josh Reed. Congratulations, guys. Good luck. Blizzard.